Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link items in monday.com. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. First, open monday.com in your browser. Click on YouTube on the left. Now click on Board on the left. Here, tap on the Add Column option. Select Connect Boards. Now tap on Select Boards. Click on YouTube and tap on Connect Boards. Now click on Create a Mirror Column. Here you can choose which columns you want to mirror. After that, it will show up. You can also add additional columns later on as well. Now to add more columns, tap on Add Column and then select More Columns. And at the mirror section, we can add more columns from these options. Now select one and then tap on Connect to choose a board. So this is basically how you link items on monday.com.